up, crypto lovers and enthusiasts? Happy day today. Bitcoin is bullish. I think Bitcoin is on the way to testing previous all-time highs. Okay, and at some point we're going to break that, but we're going to take a look at the chart, see what's going on there. We're going to take a look at as many charts as we can, especially altcoins, because altcoins are moving, guys. After a little sideways consolidation, most of them, the ones that I look at anyways, the ones that I put on your radar, are starting to look up. So we're going to take a look at as many of those as possible, because that's where the big money is made, right? And we're also going to look at other aspects of the financial system, other markets, because we need everything, as you know, is interconnected. If you don't know, now you know. And so without further ado, let's do this. I mean, just right now, just looking at this, right? CoinMarketCap. Let's see what the fear and greed index is really quickly. Just neutral. So we still have some green to go. Once this thing starts hitting green like this, you know we're the green and the other green, you know we're in a strong uptrend. And then it comes back down for a little bit to neutral. Then it comes right back up for a while, for a year. It's going to be amazing. Ethereum fees are not going to be amazing. Ethereum fees are going to suck. But look at all this green right here. Okay, this is my watch list. Look at all that green. Okay. We are at the beginnings. We are at the beginning of the parabolic part of the bull run, as far as I see it. Don't let them fool you. Look at this: 70%, 70%, 33%. Let's actually take a look at the last 7 days. Look at this, guys. Soonverse, okay, 133% the last 7 days. AGC, Argo Coin, 126% the last 7 days. I don't like that volume, 72,000 though. DEAI. I know some people like this project. I haven't really looked too much into it. I've seen it on my radar. It's obviously on my radar. 77%. Dog and me. This thing is in a lot of what's it called? Lists, wallets. I'm sorry, in a lot of wallets that seem to be smart wallets. Okay, in other words, whoever owns that wallet knows what they're doing. Up 73% last 7 days. Not bad. 11 million market cap. 600. It's on base. Another one on base, Toshi, which is getting a lot. Obviously, last 7 days, 72%, 68 million market cap, 1.9 in volume. Although the last 24 hours and the last hour we dropped 5%. We're taking a look at all these charts anyways. Citus is another one. I don't really talk about it, but it's up 60%. Good game guilds. I haven't held any of it. It's on my watch list. So I don't know too much about it. Elysium is up 59%, but just look at this. Even Base God, which I think is, I had a small little bag. Hasn't done anything, but at least that's moving too. Let's see what happens there. And a lot of memes. Let's effing go. I haven't talked about it in a while. Base NG, Benji, 46%. Credify's up. Mr. Miggle is up 40% of the week. Boomer, I think, is one that's interesting. 39%. Rio, 38% for the week. Nakamoto, 38%. Well, let's take a look at charts. Atlas Navi is one that's interesting. We'll take a look at that. Gamercoin, GHX, 38%, guys. Okay. So a lot of green, a lot of green. Look at this beautiful chart by Rio. After a few days of consolidation, coming back down here, boom, boom. Here we go. We're going to $1.52. But first, let's check out Bitcoin. After that, so we broke through here. And it looks like we're breaking through with strength. That is awesome. That is exactly what we need. I didn't know if it was going to happen or not. I was hoping. I said my bias is towards the upside, and I think now we are going to find our way up to 69,179 to see if we can finally break through. That is the question. As we get closer, I'll have a better idea if we can break through. But again, my bias will be towards the upside. But usually, it's taken so many times, right? That will it just break through the first time? Maybe. We'll see. We'll take it day by day, but so far so good. Let's see how this closes. I'm glad that we closed above. We closed at 65,181, which is cool. Exactly, as long as we closed above 65,000. Okay, even just a little bit over. Good. Now we'll have this body today on Friday, and then the weekend. Not too much is probably going to happen on the weekend, but let's see how high we can go today. Things are looking good. ETFs are still looking positive. Let's take a look at other stuff really quickly. Okay, because everything is interconnected. DXY really fast, still dropping. See if we hold that 100 as support. Money supply, US money supply going up. Global money supply is also going to go up, guys, and that's good. US oil I don't really watch this one too much, but it looks like it's going the right way. $68. Wow, that's pretty good. You know what this helps with? Inflation. This helps with those numbers that come out regarding inflation. Okay, so that's positive. That's very positive. That's going to be helpful. Dow Jones. Yes, I like to see that. That's good. Nasdaq. A red day, but so far so good. Okay, we've same thing with the Nasdaq to get it past this point, and it has. Okay, so I think the next area is up here to new all-time highs, guys. Everything looks really good. I'm so bullish right now. S&P 500, couple of red days, no big deal. Doesn't really matter because I think there's obviously an uptrend, clear uptrend. I think it's going to continue to go up. Government bonds, there we go. We like that. That was the 2-year. This is the 10-year. Dominance. Altcoins should be playing. I think we can kind of hang out right here for a little while. We still have a little bit more. We have a whole year. We have a whole year of up to come. Total 3. I'm sorry. Others, which is the total market cap excluding the top 10. Look at that beauty. Let's go, baby. Are we going to try to touch up here already? 261 billion. Okay, cool. I'll take it. And let's take a look at some altcoins that I like. You know what? I don't really. I've never had Cubic, but this chart looks good. This is in my Telegram group. A couple of people like this project, and they think it's going to be like a top 20 performer. I don't know. I haven't invested. I haven't done my homework in it, but chart wise, it looks pretty good. It looks like a rounded bottom, and I think maybe from here it starts moving up if it's a good project. Let's see what else. Rio. Let's go back here. A few days, boom. It's going to go to $1.52 as I mentioned. That's a beautiful chart. Look at that beautiful V-shaped recovery. Rio is going to do extremely well. Credifi, waking up, good project. Red day today. This is when you would get in, right? Because I think eventually it's going to do what Rio does. Going to keep moving up. It's a good project. Miggles struggling with that 0.032. It's at 0.031 right now so far. Let's see how long. We'll just do it like this. Give it some more time to. Because it's probably gonna take a little bit, right? It's a strong area. We've fought with it for a while here, so I could see it for a little while longer. But if it consolidates here, that's what I would be buying, nibbling at Mr. Miggles. It's a great project. I think it's gonna do extremely well on base, because base. I made a video about how good base is. They're like the 5 or 6 most important chain in crypto. All right, and they're only been around for a little while. Toshi, another base play. Right now, consolidating, but I think once it's just trying to see if this is in fact a true breakout. Remember, it happened before. Look at this. So let's see if this is in fact a true breakout. Then this thing is going much higher. All right, Trias, man. People ask me because this is my strongest conviction play, and look at it, nothing. It's just it hasn't woken up yet. But you know what? It's because it's a chain now. Okay, now it can't depend on hype. It can't depend on people saying, "Oh, look, the tech is going to be amazing." The tech is here now. People have to use it. There has to be use, and that's why there's this. All right. Apparently there is some use, but apparently there needs to be more, or else the market's going to be to keep discounting it. Could be a great project, but it needs to get used. Creo engine, after all this, right? Look at that beautiful green candle up. We're going towards 8 cents, guys. It's at 6 cents. Inverse head and shoulders, and it looks like it's playing out. See, sometimes during these consolidations on the way up, that's when you start getting in. Soonburst consolidating. Let's see how long that consolidation lasts. My bias is towards the upside. This thing's gonna break up, and this thing is gonna do extremely well too, man. I think I got some winners here. Neural AI. If you just look at the totality of the chart, the new chart, it's fine. To buy it right here would be not bad. Would be actually pretty good. Maybe it comes back down and tests it again, okay, at 416, but I don't think it breaks below this, and I think it's going to keep going up. Everything is just looking amazing. Land share is one that I would be looking at as well, okay? Look at the top of the channel, okay? We were down here when I was mentioning it to you guys. That's funny how it works. Let's see. That's my son. That's funny. That's why I was looking back. It's funny how this works. Maybe, just maybe, we break out here, or we spend a little bit more time, like here, right? But I don't know how much more time. So I mean, if you like this project, this would be the best area, because this is looking like where the base is, the top of the base, and then from here is up. Stobox, I already told you guys about Stobox, and so far nothing. Although it's having a green day, there's other projects right now. I'd look at UBXS for one. Hey, buddy, I'm finishing. Let me finish here, and then we'll play a little, man. This is cool. This is exactly where you want to get into, right? When it's consolidating like that, because eventually this thing's going to keep moving up, because it's a RWA play. Sinverse showing more life now. Last few days, up. I've been following this project for a while. I really like this project fundamentally. I think it's extremely strong, and they got some things in store. That's gonna help them get more exposure, and I think it's gonna keep going up. My son used to play with me. I hate to tell him no, but I'll just finish here, and then we'll get to it. I love playing my son. It's the best. If you don't have kids, if you're young, wait till like you're 40 to have kids. Then it's amazing. Prop base. 12 cents. I think it's going up higher after this consolidation. I'm not sure exactly how much higher, but it will go higher. Focus on Southeast Asia. Tectum is also, I think, looking good. Look at Tectum. It's going to 15 cents, like I mentioned to you guys, 15 cents. Nakamoto. This area right here is tough. If it can break past this area, $1.50 to $1.65, it's gonna go way higher. $1.39 right now. It's just consolidating, but I think it's a strong area. A lot of lines there, but of resistance. But if it breaks it, and I think it will, it's gonna go. REI waking up. I said it was gonna go to $7.22. $7.22. It's at $6.94. Not bad. GHX consolidating after this pump. Look at that nice little pump. Breaks through this area right here, the 10, 11, 12 cents. It's going much higher, guys. Citus, I don't talk about it much. I did have some exposure. I don't have anything exposure to it now. So I haven't followed the project, but chart-wise, it looks like it's waking up. Interesting project. I have to go back and look at it, but again, chart-wise, looks pretty good. 0.005. Obviously, it's waking up. Gaming is going to do extremely well. Dynex, I think this is the bottom, 40 cents. After this big pump, I think maybe some consolidation, and I think it's going to continue. What happened to AGC? Oh yeah, that's weird. AGC was actually another one that's actually your stuff. AGC is another one that apparently they're having issues with their, or TradingView is having issues with this symbol. Atlas Navi, so we'll just continue. Atlas Navi look like it's waking up, guys. 16 cents. I don't know about putting a bunch of money on Atlas Navi, but something, right? Because it came out of this triangle and it's moving up. It's moving up strong too. I'd take a look at that. I think maybe it's woken up. GLQ, let's see where we're at with GLQ. Consolidation before the next leg up, and it's staying above this line at 8 cents. Let's see if we can hold that from here. That's where the next move up will come from, guys. All right. That's it. Wow, I just took you through a bunch in under 15 minutes. How's that? Pretty good. Things are looking good, guys. 69,179 is going to be the next target. As long as we can hold the 65,000, I think we could. Over the weekend, next week, 69,179. So make sure you get your buys in, guys. Things are looking very up, and I think we are just on the cusp. We are like right there. We probably already started the up only. All right, it's just the beginning, the very beginning. So get it in, guys. If you can, please like, please subscribe, please leave a comment. I'm trying to grow this channel, and all that stuff really helps. All that said, have a great weekend. See you guys Monday. Have a good one. Peace.